Hey agents, this is John Feld with Senior Enrollment Solutions. Do you know who's on your book of business? Do you have it organized, prepared for annual enrollment period, for letters to go out to your current book of business, either reminding them that it's annual enrollment period, reminding them that you're still in the industry, or asking them for referrals prior to conducting that business with annual enrollment period? If you need assistance in organizing your book of business, putting it all on one Excel spreadsheet so that way you can create mailers, or if you're just simply confused at receiving commissions and possibly renewals from another agency and understanding that you may not be being paid what you are rightfully being paid, unfortunately because you contracted on a handshake, certainly reach out to us so we can help you organize your book of business, create your letters and marketing for this annual enrollment period, and ensure that you're being paid properly on the business that you've previously written. If you have questions about how you're contracted, who your upline may be, or how you're getting paid, reach out to us at 248-270-9577. We'll phone the carriers with you or gather enough information from you to help assist you in understanding who's on your book of business, how you're getting paid, and where your renewals are coming from. If you're not keeping track of your renewals, your book of business, your take-in rate or your retention rate, as well as your cost of marketing, your rate of return, please reach out to us so we can help you organize your book of business, understand the actual numbers behind your business, and remove the emotion out of running your business. Once again, this is John Fallett. For all things agent related, seniorenrollmentsolutions.com/agents or 248-270-9577.